What's up, guys? It's your boy RayRay, and today I don't even have to say it this time. Yay! Today we're back and we're playing Don't Press the Button. Now, if you look at the background, I know it's a bit foggy, but they're already doing stuff without us. So, and today I have a special guest. May I please welcome you to the channel? And this is just the first video and the only video. She's going to be in a lot of these videos. Please welcome RANIA. Say hello to the YouTube.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What is up? What is up, my G? Today, I am basically playing because Ray bought 210 quickly, and
yeah, 110 is not here. So she's the cover for now. So without further ado, let's jump right into this Don't Press the Button. All I know is that you shouldn't press the button, but I hate rules. So, it's like Crossy Road.
Crossy Road, I hate Crossy Road.
Wait, so I'm not cheating. I'm gonna put all of these away. So then, inventory. So I'm not cheating. I'm gonna put all of this away. All right. Let's do this.
All right, I've already finished.
All right. It's like Crossy Road. Who are my OGs that actually remember Crossy Road? If you don't,
Nash.
yup.
I made this at the end.
Oh no! I'm in the walk of shame. Let's see if RANIA can do this stuff.
Nash! No! Let's go press the button. By the way, this is my avatar.
Yeah, that's RANIA. Can you finish the main before it disappears? Let's do this. All right. Follow the right wall. Or was it the left? It was the left. Follow the left wall. Just follow the left wall. Oh, why does it? Okay, guys. I'm not gonna use any of my the stuff that I have in the bottom, because I think it's kind of cheating, you know. Oh my gosh, I don't think the left wall is doing me justice. Oh gosh. Please don't be a dead end. Oh my gosh. No.
The maze can't disappear.
Oh my gosh. Please be a dead end. I think it's a dead end.
Is it a dead end?
Where am I going? Bruh. It was a dead end. They just trolled me. And we're back. Oh, okay. All of you guys are cheating, so you're using speed coils. Pathetic. Shout out Mesic 9900.
Hey, Vsauce.
Good shout out for winning that mini game.
I pressed the button.
Oh crap. Okay. Quickly, don't move, and I'm moving. I'm not moving.
I'm not moving.
What is this? Red light, green light? You can move now? Wait, I'm not believing it. Okay. Okay. Let's put this one. I don't trust this house.
That's a lot of damage.
Okay. That's a lot of damage indeed. Alright. Alright. Where are the ingredients? Oh, are they up here?
There they are.
Okay, I'm gonna go this one. See, you're using it. No, what? You're using all of my stuff! You will be forever. Guys, can we get an F in the chat for that girl?
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Give me some time to think.
Yeah.
Wait, copyright. It might be copyright.
Should we eat it?
If you want.
I'm gonna save it.
Oh no, you can just. It doesn't like run out. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm just gonna go God knows where. Everyone's going this way. So Anna just follow the majority. Take speed.
I'm just going my own way. Following this bacon.
Acorn head. I'm not going down there again. That's for sure, for sure.
Fresh out.
I'm following this bacon.
I was following that bacon. Did you make it?
I made it.
You made it.
Let's go. This is what I do. Don't be in the chat for this bacon. Let's go. I'm on the now. Please. Okay, I made it.
I made it.
Let's go. This is what I do.
Let's go. Why are they jumping off?
Press that button, baby.
Baby, grab the ladder.
Spin cube.
No, this is my
Love
worst.
spinning cube.
I hate spinning cube.
Then you just have a skill shot.
Travis collection.
Skill shot.
Guys. Why is this so hard? Why is this so hard? Why is this so hard?
that hard.
Why is this so hard?
Just have a skill shot. What I hate about this is that it doesn't tell you where to go. Like it could just like Uno reverse on us. No.
Uno reverse.
Okay, we're going up here. We're going up.
We're going up.
The cheat code is to jump. Just jump. Nobody's in a loser's waiting room.
Hey.
Alright, nobody's in that waiting room, so that's good. We absolutely smashed that game. Oh my god, I'm going. Okay, I'm going. You see, you stupid cheaters. Yes! Oh, guys, who actually remembers doges?
Guys, what are the doges for?
They're just for fun.
No, doge can't fall off.
Doge. Keep the doge. Get on the platform. Get on the platform. Get on. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh. Okay. It's gonna.
Yeah.
Gonna press that. Go ready for snowball. Oh gosh. Alright. Rania, let's work together. Get down. You can't get down. Yeah, I'm looking at you, acorn head.
Destroy that. Destroy that.
Whoa! Look at this guy.
Destroy that.
I helped you. I mean, you helped me. We are friends and family. That acorn has to go.
I eliminated one.
Yes, I got it. She just had to go. She had to go.
I didn't take any for that. Thank you.
Take any hit damage. Alright, ready? Let's power up. I don't like this personally. I don't like this.
Sure.
I don't like this, bro. Just press. Moana is here. Just press. Dirty to dodge it. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got it. Oh, dodge it. Down. Okay, dodge. Okay, I got this. I'm getting the hang of this. Easy. How did that bacon head not die? It's the same.
Jump.
I'm a trick us. I'm just too good. Oh! Okay, just the three of us. Again. Same. Okay, it's the same. It's the same. Oh. Rania almost died there. It's okay. Okay, Mezek. Mezek survived. Okay. Everyone's getting smaller. We are mini Chads right now. We are Chads, but mini. We are Giga, but mini. That makes sense. Alright. No. We do not talk about Diddy. Alright? Diddy is not appropriate right now.
And that's my
I'm gonna get out. I don't really like football. Why is it always Mesek9900? He's got like a quadruple shot at this point. Yes! Who actually remembers this game?
I remember this so much.
Who guys remembers make a cake, or was it bake a cake? I'm not sure. Make or bake. It's basically you become a cake and then you go and dive someone's mouth. What's the funnest games ever, honestly. We came out of his butt. Alright, I'm gonna go 2 times. This time I'm using my speed coil. What are you gonna do again? Sue me?
You see me?
Oh my gosh! I came in like a red.
Why do I have poop on my head?
I don't care if it's big or small. No.
That's a lot of damage.
I'm not going in the house.
How did that bacon egg not die?
That's a lot of... Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Yes!
getting
Thank
cute.
you! I love spinning.
Go. Oh gosh. Okay, let's do this. This is too easy, bro. See? You never reversed on me. I saw that. You said you saw that. How about sit by my shoulder? How about saw that? You guys, did any of you guys tell me in the comments if you guys attended that Fortnite event with like Juice WRLD and stuff? If you're a kid, don't listen to Juice WRLD, but still. If you remember that, you're my G. Yeah, which person in that event was your favorite? Was it Ice Spice, Snoop Dogg, Eminem, or Juice WRLD? My personal favorite was Juice WRLD. Yes.
Yes, I love this.
We're in space.
Thanks.
We're in a different galaxy. What? Are you freaking serious? No, I was just messing around. No, I don't get to play Spleef. Why is it always the best games of like purposely die? Alright guys, I'll put a circle around RANIA. That's who I want to win. Okay. I would do it all the time.
Why can't I
Spleef. Guys, RANIA failed.
Why is this always this bacon bomb?
Oh my god, Mesek. You know what? No shout out to you.
Masaki, bro.
Why are you covering the button like you don't?
The most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana. Next to a banana.
Next to a banana. It's time to go fast. Go.
Even faster. There's a tsunami incoming.
Go. Go. Oh, up here. Go. I think I did it. I think you have to jump over it. Oh, I made it. See, guys, that's actually how you survive tsunamis. No, I'm joking. Don't actually do that because it's gonna freaking demolish the building. Oh, okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna win because I'm an open. Actually, I'm using the speed coil because some of you guys are. And I want to actually keep up. Keep up, I'm too fast.
Keep my wood up on that.
Are you freaking kidding me? How many points do you have? Can't be me. Could it be me? So we got 3. 7 points. That's because he's a tryhard. Talking about backbass Sigma. Whatever his name was. Oh, fudge. Yes! I'm outrunning him! Oh! See? Get your freaking ankles, bro. Get your ankles, bro. You guys see him get this work. I boldly. That mini guy just got his ankles broke. Shout out to the mini guy. He just broke
That's a lot of damage.
Bodie's ankles. That is what we all needed to see right now. That's a lot of damage. Alright. I think we're gonna do a few more mini games. And then after this, I'll end the video right there. Because I have a lot of editing to catch up on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
I have a lot to catch up on. So I'm gonna do that off camera because ain't nobody trying to see that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna complain about editing to. Oh my gosh! Oh god! Go! Yes, it's going. It's good. The bomb got pushed off the base plate. Good. It's nice. Oh, okay. We're doing this.
What the mo?
Take them all. No! I keep on missing. So I'm not zero.
Imagine, bro.
No hate in the comment section. If I see hate in the comment section, I'm gonna lose it. Guys, I'm very quiet.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm
Looking in.
Bro, keep on stealing animals. With 18 wax, he's a tryhard.
Yeah, he's a try.
Who do you think? Oh, okay. Who do you think you are? Get your freaking ankles broke. You feel me? Get your freaking ankles broke. Who do you think you are? Ah! Okay. Ow. No. They can't do that. This is actually the last one. Yes, this will be the last one. Let's do this. Down. Go. Did I make it? Alright, I made it. Is the building actually burning?
Yeah.
Burger HQ. Oh, it is. It's really slow. Alright, I think I need to end
Burger HQ.
There it goes. Guys, call the firefighters right now, dude.
Guys, call the firefighters.
Firefighters.
Guys, call the firefighters.
999. Well, actually, 911.
Alright, guys, this is the
Alright. Guys, if you guys enjoyed, don't press the button. Be sure to give this one. I'll be a little no, actually, I'm not being generous because I have 55 views on my channel right now. So I want you guys to break records. So 15 views on this video. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. 15. Smash and subscribe.
Smash the subscribe button.
I'll see you. I don't know because for the few days, probably, I'm gonna post probably next week, because for the few days, I'm just gonna be editing my old videos.